Okay guys, this is your poem from yesterday. So today we have talked about lines and what those are. And so this one we're going to talk about lines and we're going to talk about stanzas. So remember, a line is a line that's a single row of words in a poem. Today we're going to look at stanzas. A stanza is a group of lines in a poem. So now we're going to take those lines and they are grouped together. So let's start out by looking at the lines in a snow cone. So each line gets its own number. This poem has 12 lines. Okay. Lines are pretty easy to see. They're just the sentences that we're used to calling them, but in poetry we call them lines. So you always want to number them so you know if I ask you a question according to line 7, how do they describe the snow cone? So you don't want to have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to go ahead, oh, here is line 7. You want to already have it numbered, easy to refer to. Now, let's look at our stanzas. Stanzas is a group of lines in a poem that they are grouped together. This right here is a stanza. This right here, 3 and 4, they're grouped together. You have another stanza. These are grouped together, another stanza. You can kind of see the pattern in this one. Every 2 lines are grouped together and it's considered a stanza. So how many stanzas do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 stanzas. Now stanzas are similar to a paragraph. Looks like a paragraph, what we call in fiction and informational, what's also called prose, because it's prose in poetry, but prose is just regular writing, not written in a poem form. So each section of lines is a stanza. We have 6 stanzas. We have 12 lines. So this is what a stanza is. It's lines that are grouped together. You can see that there is a big space between these lines. You see how these are closer and how these are further away? That's how you tell if it's a stanza. Good job.